Welcome to H2K Infosys. We are a premier IT training institute based in Atlanta, Georgia, offering a range of services including instructor-led online training, software development, and IT staffing. Our clientele includes top companies like Meta, Apple, Tesla, and Google. Our mission is to prepare our students for the competitive IT job market, providing them with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed. Our training is designed to be 100% job-oriented, with expert-led sessions and a comprehensive syllabus that includes the latest technologies. We offer hands-on experience, resume preparation, and job placement assistance to ensure our students' success. For the best audio quality during online classes, use a headset or dial-in by telephone. Remember to mute for clarity and unmute when needed. Engage with the presenter through the chat and participants' icons for an interactive learning experience. The course content at H2K Infosys is comprehensive, covering everything from an introduction to the organization to software and SDLC concepts, QA testing, and the guaranteed results of our programs. We also offer additional modules for an in-depth learning experience. We cover a variety of technological domains to prepare our students for the IT industry. Our QA testing module is particularly extensive, including manual testing, automation, performance testing, ETL testing, and more, to ensure a well-rounded education. The training course at H2K Infosys is meticulously designed to align with the current job market, focusing on emerging topics like AI, ChatGPT, and data analysis. We provide extensive training, mock interviews, and practical sessions to ensure our students are job-ready and well-versed in the latest methodologies and tools. Our participants gain invaluable real-world experience through project work in domains like banking and telecom. We also provide comprehensive support with resume preparation, group discussions, and mock interviews to prepare them for various sectors. The business analysis project management concepts are thoroughly covered, detailing roles, responsibilities, and skills for a BA career. Techniques for requirement gathering, analysis, and documentation, as well as practical application of UML diagrams, are included. Our business analysis course offers an in-depth look into essential tools and techniques, such as the traceability matrix, project artifacts, and industry methodologies. We also focus on structured diagrams and provide practical experience through real-time project work, ensuring our students are thoroughly prepared. Our QA testing course is extensive, covering mobile apps testing, ETL testing, and big data Hadoop. We offer over 85 hours of content, unlimited group discussions, and mock interviews to build confidence. Prospective students can also attend a free demo class before enrolling. Since 2010, H2K Infosys has trained over 50,000 students in QA and BA, achieving a high trust rating with an average student rating of 9 out of 10 and an 84% placement rate. We are committed to providing comprehensive training for aspiring IT professionals.